Affordable, reliable, sustainable, and stylish. Resin-based products check all the boxes when it comes to home storage and organization. Resin is not just another word for plastic. It is a high-density synthetic compound that is lightweight, durable, and inexpensive. Pound for pound, resin is one of the toughest materials out there, making it perfect for long-term indoor or outdoor use. But the true beauty of this versatile material is its ability to transform into any design one can dream up, making it possible to create beautiful patterns, textures, and colors, simulating the style and appearance of more expensive and less durable materials. Each of our products is carefully designed for all-year use and to be low maintenance, sustainable, and built to last. From summer thunderstorms to wicked winter blizzards, resin is reliable all year round, in all climates, all across the country. Our resin storage solutions offer effortless ease of use. Setup requires minimal tools, and cleanup couldn't be simpler. Just grab a hose and some mild soap and give it a good scrub. Our resin products are made in an energy-efficient manufacturing environment with an eye towards sustainability and continuous improvement. Our manufacturing processes are 100% closed loop, meaning all scrap resin is recycled and reused, and nothing is sent to a landfill. Best of all, the sun-cast products in your home can be recycled again at the end of their useful life. Resin is a sturdy yet lightweight material designed to meet the demands of everyday life, delivering serious strength and heavy-duty durability for years and years to come. See the difference for yourself and explore our wide range of reliable resin storage solutions that will bring lasting value to your home.